Hi and welcome to Cheekyricho Cooking's sweet potato and leek soup. This is going to be a rich, hearty, healthy soup. The ingredients are in the recipe box below. We are only using leeks. We have 2 of them here that have just been washed and roughly sliced. And we have 1 whole Kumera or red sweet potato. We're just going to put some butter into our Ninja Foodi, melt that, and we're just going to saute off our vegetables. When that's done, we're going to add some freshly cracked pepper, some vegetable salt, and some red wine vinegar. Now this is going to be quite sweet. This is also going to be quite sweet. The vinegar is just going to cut through that richness and just give us that little hint that you're not quite sure what it is, but it tastes lovely. And a bit of water. If you wanted to make this a vegan dish, simply use oil instead of butter. Okay, butter's starting to melt now on the saute function. We're going to send in our sweet potato. Just toss that all around in the butter. Just get a little bit of colour on that. The sauteing will give a little bit of caramelisation to the vegetables, adding to the flavour. It's all going to be blitzed at the end anyway, or you can have it chunky style. Just saute that until you've got a little bit of colour on it. Okay, we have a nice bit of colour on our sweet potato now. It's in with our leeks. Just been roughly sliced. With our vegetable salt. Use vegetable stock powder. Half a teaspoon of freshly cracked pepper. And mix that all around. The brown butter will give a nutty flavour to the finished dish. Add our red wine vinegar and 3 cups of water. Those vegetables will sweat down. The kumera or the red sweet potato will actually thicken the dish, and you'll end up with a couple of litres of really wholesome fresh soup. Now we're just going to add our pressure cooker lid onto our foodie. Close the vent, set the timer on pressure for 10 minutes. Press start. Okay, it's cooked for the 10 minutes now. It's just gone into keep warm function. We're just going to force release it and blitz it with a hand stab blender. Okay, the pressure's released now. We just remove the lid and we're just going to mix it all up. Now you could actually serve it like that if you want to. It's nice and chunky, but I'm going to blitz it and make it a nice creamy soup. And that's it. Put a dollop of cream in there if you liked for added creaminess. A little knob of butter's nice. We can just serve it with some nice crusty bread. Okay, we've just got a couple of little snip chives there and some parsley. And there you have it, Cheekyricho Cooking's sweet potato and leek soup. We'll taste, shall we? You see how nice and thick it is? That hint of vinegar is just cut through the richness of the sweet potato and the leeks. It's still nice and creamy and buttery because of the butter flavour that's in there. And we're just serving it with some hot buttered toast. Hope you enjoyed this little cooking demonstration of Cheekyricho's Cooking's sweet potato and leek soup made in the Ninja Foodi. If you'd like to see more interesting recipes and ideas, just check out our Cheekyricho Cooking channel and don't forget to please subscribe. And do come back and visit us again soon. We have so much more to show you and we're uploading lots of videos every week, and thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.